New details tonight about the sheriff of Iron County, Missouri, and the role he's accused of playing in a parental kidnapping scheme. His attorney and the judge are now calling this case dangerous. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. The sheriff, two of his deputies, and a citizen all appearing in court today. It comes just 1 week after the same judge lowered bonds in the case by hundreds of thousands of dollars. 5 on your side's Holden Kurwicki was in the courtroom this morning and has the latest. Holden?
Well, Judge Tony Dorsett continues to maintain that Sheriff Jeff Burkett and the two deputies involved in this case had their bonds set appropriately, and he says they went above and beyond the scope of their duties to help resident Rick Gaston try and get his daughter. However, defense attorneys continue to maintain that the entire case should be thrown out.
Nearly 2 weeks after their arrest in an alleged parental kidnapping scheme, Iron County Sheriff Jeff Burkett and deputies Matt Kozad and Chase Bresnahan are still behind bars.
Well, certainly we're shocked that the judge did not lower the bond in this case. This is unprecedented, and it's very dangerous.
Gabe Crocker is Sheriff Burkett's attorney. Tuesday, he asked a judge to once again lower his client's $250,000 bond. The judge refused to lower the deputies' bonds as well.
Cash bonds and a bond this heavy is shocking. I really don't have another word for it.
However, the fourth defendant in this case, Iron County resident Rick Gaston, could soon be free. The judge agreed to allow him out on a $50,000 surety bond if he wears an ankle monitor.
I told the court I was ready to go to trial this afternoon because I'm 100% convinced that the case will fail.
Attorney Scott Rosenblum told 5 on your side he's confident in making that assessment because there was an active court order between Gaston and the alleged victim.
Deputies went above and beyond and actually called the judge about this, yet the state is insisting that they couldn't.
The victim's attorney has said in court that she felt hunted by the group and says they should remain behind bars. But attorneys for the suspects say the law enforcement officers were simply doing their jobs by enforcing the parental court order.
Do you believe these charges should be thrown out?
I do.
It's worth noting that Judge Dorsett has repeatedly stated that Burkett, Bresnahan, and Kozad present a danger to both society and the victim in this case. All 4 men are due back in court April 26th. Mike?
Holden, thanks. Tonight